Luigi.
Yes,
What is this thing?
A marble one. I seen on Peppa Pig.
A marble run you seen on Peppa Pig. Let's try it. There's already a marble in this one up here on the top. And a small marble, not a standard regular one. Here it goes.
Woo! Hey, it got stuck.
They got stuck the last time too. Mine's still going.
It's
like
a tie.
a tie. You beat me. Yours got down there first. All right, let's do one more for the camera. The big finale. Hurry up, our time's running out.
All right, get your marble.
Tick tock, Luigi. Tick tock.
All right. A one, a
Okay.
two, a queen.
And there it goes.
Give away this time. That was my marble. Yours took forever.
I know it went round and around on the top too long. Now my marble got stuck. Man, it's ripping me off. Man, that's good stuff, Luigi. Hey, everybody, it's a good marble run. So if you want one yourself, go buy one.
Yes.
Yeah, you heard me. Go buy it. These things ain't free.
Yes, cheap too on.